Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe and click that notification bell so every time I have new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2020 Ford Escape 1.5 Turbo. Right now I'm doing the oil change service on it. Now after you take out the cover, it's about like 10 bolts. And here's the drain bolt. Take them out. There you go. Oil's dirty. The filter is in the front. Let it drain out. So everything is completely drained out. My new oil filter. Put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. And just hand tighten it. Not so crazy. That's it. Wipe the spot. And then for the drain bolt, so this is tight. Snug it down just a bit. That's it. And put your cover back. So for this Ford, it takes 520, but at the moment I ran out of 520. I only have 530 full synthetic. That would do it also. I double checked it again. This 1.5 takes 5.5 quarts. That's a lot for a little engine. And you can see I put in 5.5, so it's at the high mark, so that's perfect. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Right now I'm gonna have the key on, and then I'm gonna toggle through the menu with this button. So once you scroll down to the letter I, press on this button right here, and then once you get to oil life, press OK, and press reset, hold it, and let go. There you go, 100%. Turn the car off, turn it back on, and that's it guys. So just an easy oil change for this. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. You're new to the channel, please help me subscribe. I'll keep everybody updated, but I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.